You want to start training, but you're staring down a stark choice. On one side, the raw grit of a rusty park pull-up bar. On the other, the polished steel and monthly fees of a commercial gym. It's a paralyzing decision, driven by the fear that choosing the wrong path will waste months of effort. Let's clear the air right now. Whether you're fighting gravity on a playground or moving plates in a weight room, both methods build significant strength and muscle. And if your main goal is losing weight, neither path is a magic solution. Neither lifting weights nor doing push-ups will peel off the pounds unless you pair them with a dialed-in diet and a consistent cardio routine. Also, don't worry about the rumors that heavy lifting stunts growth or that bodyweight moves wreck your joints. As long as your form is clean, both are safe and effective ways to develop your body. The real decision isn't about which tool is better for muscle growth. It's about determining which system-specific obstacles you are best equipped to tolerate week after week. Think about fitness in terms of friction. Every program has a cost. Sometimes that cost is logistical, like money, equipment, and your commute. Other times the cost is physical, like the raw strength and skill required just to complete your first set. This chart maps out those two opposing forces. By looking at how these barriers intersect, you can see where each training style sits and identify which environment fits your current life. Calisthenics drops right here in the bottom right. It costs nothing and can be done anywhere, meaning logistical friction is non-existent. But because you are lifting your entire body weight from day one, the physical barrier to entry is high. The gym sits over here in the top left. You can scale a cable machine down to almost zero resistance, making the physical friction low. But to get that access, you have to pay a monthly premium and drive there, which pushes the logistical friction up. Your starting body weight, your budget, and how you prefer to track your results will dictate which side of this board leads to long-term consistency. Let's apply this to an overweight beginner trying to build a new fitness habit. If you're carrying significant extra weight, starting with calisthenics is often a nightmare. Attempting to push or pull 100% of your body weight on day one usually ends in frustration, as completing even a single rep becomes a massive hurdle. In a gym, the script flips. Machines and light dumbbells allow you to scale the resistance perfectly. This provides the immediate, motivation-boosting early wins that help a complete beginner keep showing up. But that convenience comes with a price tag. You'll spend $40 to $100 a month for access, plus the daily time tax of the commute. This table breaks down the trade-off. For the barrier to entry, the gym demands your money, but offers a physically scalable path. Calisthenics is free, but it demands significant strength right from the start. In the beginner phase, you are essentially trading your money for the psychological safety of an easy, scalable start. Once you move past the start, the focus shifts to how you force your muscles to keep growing over months and years. Weightlifting uses a linear progression model. Adding 5 pounds to a bar or moving a pin down one slot on a machine is mathematically simple and easy to record in a logbook. Calisthenics doesn't work that way. You can't just slap an extra plate on your back. To increase the load, you have to learn complex leverage changes, like moving from standard push-ups to archer push-ups. Mastering those harder variations often takes months of focused practice. For data-driven people who crave weekly measurable updates, this nonlinear progress can be deeply frustrating. Our matrix reflects these differences. Progression in the gym is linear and measurable, while calisthenics is built on skill-based, nonlinear milestones. The gym serves the analytical optimizer, while calisthenics is a path for those who enjoy patient, discipline-driven skill mastery. We also have to consider the final physical outcome, what your body will look and perform like after years of dedication. The gym provides isolation tools and unlimited weight. This setup allows for maximum muscle size, symmetry, and heavy leg development that bodyweight moves can't match. Calisthenics builds a different kind of physique. It focuses on functional power, extreme core strength, and elite mobility, where your whole body acts as a single coordinated unit. Then there's the environment. The gym provides built-in accountability through its atmosphere: music, slamming weights, and people training. If you skip the commute, you don't get the workout. Calisthenics offers total freedom to train anywhere. However, success depends entirely on your internal discipline and your willingness to train regardless of the weather or the lack of gym bro hype. The final rows complete the picture. The gym engineers maximum size in a controlled space, while calisthenics forces athletic mobility through independent grit. Summarizing these trade-offs shows that each path requires a different kind of commitment to achieve its specific physical results. Making the final choice requires honesty about your biggest personal limitation or your primary goal. Use this framework to finalize your choice based on your current situation. If you are an overweight beginner who needs a safe, scalable entry and access to cardio machines for fat loss, the gym is your best starting point. If you have zero budget or refuse to be tied to a location, choose calisthenics. If your priority is maximum muscle size and heavy leg development, the gym is the way. And if you're chasing extreme core strength and mobility, calisthenics is your weapon. The objectively best program is simply the one that removes the specific point of friction most likely to make you quit. Remember, these two paths are not mutually exclusive. You don't have to pledge absolute loyalty to one camp. A hybrid approach is often the most effective route. You can use the gym's barbells for scalable leg strengths and isolation, while using calisthenics for upper body mobility and core control. Long-term consistency and a proper diet will always dictate your results far more than the specific tools you use to train. In the end, blending both philosophies allows you to build a physique that is both powerful and highly mobile. Whether you are paying monthly dues to lift steel or paying in sweat to fight gravity, identifying and overcoming your specific friction is what creates a physique that lasts.